Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening system information because it centralizes hardware and software details. Press the Windows key, type system information, or press Win plus R and enter msinfo32. Once done, the app loads a system summary showing the OS build, installed RAM, processor, and BIOS date. You should scan that summary first to confirm the machine identity. It helps you decide which deeper sections to inspect. Make sure to keep the window open as you move to component views. You now dive into the components tree to find targeted details. Expand components and pick display, storage, or network depending on your goal. Once inside, use Ctrl plus F to search for driver names, device ID, or error text. This saves time versus manual scanning. You can right-click and copy specific values or inspect resources for conflicts like IRQs. Because these sections list driver versions and paths, you can trace issues back to outdated or mismatched drivers, and you finish by exporting the report. Choose File, Export, and save a TXT snapshot to share with support or archive for troubleshooting. If you only need basic OS and device info, use Settings System About or run DXDiag for a diagnostic dump. If msinfo32 fails to open, run sfc/scano from an elevated prompt to repair system files, and check Event Viewer for related errors. These steps resolve common launch problems, so you can retry gathering the full system report.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.